June 14th. And as you can see, the babies do not like being in the cage. We've been taking them out 2 by 2, 1 by 1. But coming out of it, gets them pretty spoiled. There's Mia and Chance Jr. right to the left and to the right. Mia is probably the most spoiled one so far. She's a little princess. Oh, what's the matter, Mia? What's the matter, Mia? What's the matter, Mia? And Chance was just in with Oren watching Days of Our Lives or some kind of silly soap opera. So now he's mad. He's back in the cage. And there's little Emma, just as quiet as could be. And Turner over there, of course, sleeping. Oh, Mr. Chance, Mr. Chance, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness, oh, Mia, oh, Mr. Chance, you guys will be alright. So anyways, buy the pool one and Investor Hub, have a good day.